Good evening, everyone. How's everybody?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. So, how's everyone? Is everybody okay? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
fine.
Fine, ma'am.
That's fantastic. Today we're going to. Today I'm going to just have the exercise you already know. The exercise is questionnaire, and we are going to have. Tell me who two are ready for that. जैसा कि हमने कल डिस्कस किया था वो नहीं होगा. I will not share my screen. I'll not show you the questions and all. You have to remember the questions and you have to do that. Okay? So शुरू करें क्या? Let's
Yes, ma'am.
begin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Shall we begin? Okay, no problem, Priyanka. But the other students who are present in the class, they must perform. So I can see that Pushpa ma'am is ready. Okay, so let's take Pushpa ma'am and Mohini together and they are going to perform. Okay, so let's begin with Pushpa ma'am and Mohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, Pushpa ma'am.
Good
How
evening.
are
Good
you, ma'am?
evening. I am fine. I am pretty good, and you?
I'm also fine, thank you.
Okay.
So, ma'am, can I start?
Yes.
So, ma'am, can I know your full name, please?
I am Pushpa Batham.
Okay, that's good. So, what's your qualification?
I had completed MA in political science from KRG College, Gwalior.
That's
And
good,
you?
ma'am. Yeah, I have
And you?
also done BSc in mathematics from Bundelkhand University, and I have also done BTC. It is a teaching certificate in UP. Maybe I heard about that.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah.
Maybe you heard about it.
Okay, ma'am. Maybe you have heard about it.
Okay,
So,
okay.
ma'am,
What's your career objective?
Career.
okay,
Hmm.
okay, ma'am. Recently, I have a short-term goal. First of all, I want to improve my spoken and written English. So, and
I also
okay, ma'am. So, what is your long-term goal, ma'am?
no long term, and my small goal. My career objective is to be successful in English spoken.
That's
That's
good,
it.
ma'am. Okay, yeah, I have also long-term goal, but currently I am focusing only spoken English and written English. Currently, I am exploring so many things. So let's see what will be happen.
Yes,
And ma'am,
yes.
so ma'am, what are your strengths?
My strength. I am confident, optimistic, and determined person, and hardworking person.
That's
And you?
good. Yeah, I'm a happy and humble and helpful person, but I have some weakness. Sometimes I cry early. If anybody talk to me rudely, so I cry early. It is my weakness. So, ma'am, please, can you tell me how I can overcome my weakness?
No, it is know your weakness. Yeah, all ladies, yeah, same problem. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So,
Yeah.
ma'am, can I know your family background?
My family background, my father is a government worker, and my mother is
Government
homemaker.
employee. Use ma'am, government employee.
Okay, okay. My father is a government employee and my mother is a homemaker. And I have five civilians and three sisters and two brothers. And you?
Okay,
And
ma'am.
Nice.
Yeah.
your family?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. My father was a government employee. He was a block development officer, video, and my mother was she was homemaker. I have four siblings, including to me. My younger brother, he works in a government sector. I have also mm, I have also one sister, younger sister, and one younger brother. So recently she completed her 12th grade, and my younger brother, he is preparing for UPSC exams. That's all, ma'am.
So, so nice. What your hobbies?
My hobbies are traveling and listening to music.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I'm fond of visiting new places. So that are my hobbies. And ma'am, what are your hobbies?
I also listening to music and singing and visit to hill station.
Okay, that's nice. I also like hill station. So ma'am, I have one question. Actually, how long you have been married?
Uh, I I 14 I had 14 years something 14 years completed
Okay.
in
Okay,
my marriage life.
so how many do you have kids?
I have two kids, two kids, one son and one daughter. So she's studying in third standard.
Okay.
Both of you, both of
So ma'am,
okay.
so ma'am, how to handle everything, because you have two kids,
Uh,
and how to find your time to how to find time to yourself, how to
I
manage
found
everything.
I manage I manage everything. Uh, uh, I manage.
Okay, Miss, you
sorry,
manage
sorry, sorry,
everything.
sorry, sorry.
You are able to manage everything, right? Right. That's
Everything
good.
and uh,
Yeah, ma'am.
uh,
Actually,
ho-
seriously, I'm appreciating to you because you have two kids. Then you have desired to learn English, so that's
yes.
good. So, ma'am, okay, ma'am. If you have any question, then you can ask me.
What are you interested in?
Okay. I'm interested. If you are asking any subject, so I'm interested in psychology. I like psychology subject. Sometimes, yeah, miss regularly. I read psychology books. So and I interested in. I told you, I fond of visiting new places. So
Yes.
yeah. So ma'am, okay, ma'am. I have also one question. So, what is
Ye-
the secret of
Why
success
not?
in your opinion?
My secret of success, my
Okay, no
I
problem.
know.
If you are asking me, so yeah, the secret of success, in my opinion, the secret of success, I think hard work. Without hard work, we can't achieve
Yes,
anything.
and
If we
anything.
want to
Okay.
achieve anything, so we must work hard. So yeah,
Yes.
that is my opinion.
Opinions.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Any one
So
more question?
uh, I think that's all from my side, ma'am.
That's all.
That's
Okay,
nice. It
thank you,
was
ma'am.
really
It,
interactive,
it,
very nice interactive
Huh.
discussion. And so come on, clap for
Thank you,
them.
ma'am.
You should appreciate
Thank you,
them. You should
Pushpa,
clap for
ma'am.
them so that thank you so
Okay,
Thank
nice
you,
much.
talking to
Mohini.
you.
Thank you.
That's
Okay,
nice.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Mohini.
And this is wonderful when we are talking very nicely without any, hesitation. We are just getting into the discussion, talks, and all. It looks really beautiful, I want to tell. Okay, now we have
Thank you.
two group members, two more, Vaishnavi and Sabia. and I want them to come forward and perform. Come on, girls, you should also join Sabia and Vaishnavi. आज मुझे नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स थोड़े से कम लग रहे हैं, थोड़े नहीं, बहुत ही कम है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Only few students are there in the class. इतना इफेक्ट है? So I can see Vaishnavi is ready, Sabia is also ready. Let's listen to both of them. Okay, girls.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, Sabia. You can start. Both of you can start. No problem.
Yes. What is your name, please?
I'm Vaishnavi Garg. And
Sorry, loudly, please. Voice loudly, please.
I'm Vaishnavi Garg. And you?
I am Sabiha Parveen.
Okay.
Your strength.
My strength, I'm a very cheerful person and I'm humble person. And my weakness, I'm speak very little and I'm shy person. And you?
I am confident and happy. Yes.
Your weakness?
Qualification. My weakness is
What's your career goal, ma'am?
my career goal is I am speak a little goal. Small goal is speaking English in and big goal Urdu in profession.
Nice.
And you?
My career goal is to be an artist.
Okay, very good. And ideal is yours?
My ideal is my parents, my father and my grandfather.
Okay.
And your ideal person?
My ideal person is Malala Yusuf because she is younger Nobel Prize winner. Malala Yusuf, she is Pakistani. You belong.
I am belongs to Morena, Gwalior, MP.
And your hobby?
My hobbies are listening to music, singing, dancing, and I most of like art. And your hobbies are?
My hobbies are reading book and sometime writing and shopping.
Okay. Your date of birth?
My date of birth is 13 August 1997.
Okay.
And you?
My date of birth is 2nd February.
You interested in?
I'm interested. I'm interested in art, sketching, painting. Yes. And you're interested?
I am interested in people help.
Okay. Your nickname? What's your nickname?
My nickname is Sabiha. Sapu.
Okay. Okay.
And yours?
My nickname is Lali, but my friends call me Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi.
Okay. And qualification.
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 I'm qualification BSc first year. I think your network
She has
issue.
she has no problem. You just wait for her answer. She will answer.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
She has some network issue actually. No problem. Till then, let's take others for the performance. And I just want the next performer should be Richa and let's take another student. Priyanka, can you perform now or you are still busy?
Your voice is
Hello.
hello.
Yeah.
I can't hear you, ma'am. Hello.
Priyanka, can you perform now? Okay, Vaishnavi, as Sabia has some network issues, I want you to come with what do you call it, Richa, and perform that. Come on. You need to start again. Richa, you start this time. You
Hello.
start this time.
Hello.
Hello, Vaishnavi. How are you?
I'm also fine. And you?
I'm pretty good. And where are you from?
I'm from Gwalior. Morena, Gwalior, MP.
I think there is
District.
a network issue.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Guys, I think ना आप लोग रिचा any problem? Can you hear her? देख सुन सकते हो आप उसको? Can you?
No, ma'am. I can't. Her voice very breaking.
Ma'am, voice is not clear.
Okay. Now say hi, hello to each everyone. Check once.
Yes.
Hi. Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Hey everyone.
Hello.
अभी तो आवाज आ रही है ना? मैं तो सुन
Yes,
सकती हूँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? I can hear ना? Yes.
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 Yes. Okay. Let's begin.
So, where are you from, Vaishnavi?
फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. वैष्णवी, स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा ऑल्सो बेटा. एंड अभी थोड़ा जोर से बोलना रिचा, आपकी आवाज बहुत लो आ रही है. सब नेटवर्क इश्यूज देयर आई थिंक, है ना? चलिए वैष्णवी, यू आल्सो स्विच ऑन द कैमरा. ओके, नाउ लेट्स बिगिन. फिर से शुरू करेंगे हाय हेलो से. एक दूसरे को थोड़ा टाइम दो. अगर किसी की आवाज लेट आ रही है तो थोड़ा टाइम देते हैं. इसको बोलते हैं कोऑर्डिनेशन. So let's develop coordination, especially when you are in online class. करना पड़ता है. We have to do that. तो कर सकते हैं ना? Come on, let's begin. शुरू करते हैं.
Hello Richa. Hello Richa.
No, she is not able to hear. She has some network issue. एक काम करते हैं. Let's take Jinu. Jinu is already in the class, and I think Jinu should come and Jinu should perform that. तब तक network issue है, एक बार network check कर लीजिए. Jinu, are you able to perform? Can you hear us?
Hello,
Please
ma'am.
switch on your camera.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, sorry. Today I am not feeling well, so I can't perform.
बट वो परफॉर्म कैसे करें? आज आप परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे हैं.
No, ma'am.
ऐसे कैसे चलेगा यार? आप लोग परफॉर्म नहीं करोगे तो फिर ये टॉपिक, आई विल नॉट स्टार्ट दिस टॉपिक वंस अगेन. हाँ.
Hello.
Okay, Richa, is your network good now? Is your network okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's begin. Come on, girls, let's begin.
Hello
Hello,
Richa.
Vaishnavi. Hi. How are you, Vaishnavi?
I'm also fine. And you?
I'm good. Where are you from?
I'm from Morena, MP.
Yes, I'm from Chhatarpur in MP. What have you done in graduation?
I am studying in BSc first year.
Now pursuing.
And
Yes,
you?
I have done graduation. I have also done a teaching diploma, and I have qualified CTET, and now I'm pursuing master in psychology.
Okay. You belong?
And
What do you belong?
I said,
No.
Where do you belong? जगह के लिए.
Where do you belong?
Chhatarpur,
Oh.
Chhatarpur.
Okay. What's your hobbies?
I love my hobbies are I love dancing and yoga and traveling also. And what about you?
My hobbies are listening to music, traveling, singing, art. I most of like art.
And which college have you done a graduate? Have you come pursuing? Are you pursuing?
हाँ, are
Which
you?
college? Which college are you pursuing the graduation?
I am pursuing in a AS degree college, Kelaras.
And what are your strengths and weakness?
My strength is I'm cheerful person and a humble person. My weakness, I'm speak very little and shy person, and and mm, uh, and your strength and weakness.
I am quick learner, and I am tolerance girl and hardworking. I am self-motivated, and this this is a strength or a weakness also. Don't trust anyone early, and
Okay.
you can say weakness or strength both. What? Hello.
Hello.
What's your father do?
1 minute. Hello.
Hello.
My father is a shopkeeper, and my mother is a housewife. Uh, and
What are
we have
my
3 siblings. I am smallest, and I have a elder brother and a elder sister. And my brother is preparing engineering from Bangalore, and my sister is preparing UPSC.
what are your
Uh,
hobbies?
uh, Hobbies. My hobby is singing, traveling, art.
Okay. And your hobby? You can say your hobby like this.
Huh? Your hobby?
I said before, ma'am.
Yeah.
I told her.
I have already told. ऐसा बोलो. I
I have
already.
already told.
Yes.
Yes.
What's your date of birth?
8th of January.
And your age?
25. 25. Who
Uh,
is your ideal person?
my ideal person is my parents. Most of my father and my grandfather, because she is very hardworking. Uh, uh, very hardworking.
And okay. And tell me which subject do you have you choose? Opt में ऐसे बोल सकते हैं ना?
Which
Have you
subject have you
select?
opted for?
Yes, which subject have you opted for in graduation?
Uh, I has opted subject.
I have. बेटा has नहीं लगता है. I
I
have.
have opted subjects maths, chemistry, physics, and Hindi and English.
Okay.
Main subject maths.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Next question. ऐसे चुप नहीं रहना है. किसी ने एक ने खत्म किया तो दूसरा वो क्वेश्चन कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर लेगा. वही तो होता है ना.
Your background.
My father.
Can I know your family background? ऐसा बोलो. Can I know your family
Can I know your family background?
Yes, my father, he is a teacher and my mother is housemaker. I have two sisters and one younger brother. And he is pursuing DSC in Indore, Holkar College. or my sister, my elder sister got married, or college. She is in a college.
Okay.
And tell me, which type of movie do you like?
I
Hello.
I like movies types of friends happy as जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा ये जवानी है दीवानी 3 Idiots types.
Okay.
And your favorite actor?
Actually, I don't like mostly movie watch, but I like Ranbir Kapoor.
And your favorite author and singer?
I don't like the reading book. Singer Shreya Ghosala, and English singer Justin Bieber also, because I like sometimes listen songs. So all mostly I sing listen song English.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
You can ask me something. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
क्या हुआ girls? Any problem?
No. No, ma'am. I think we have complete.
Completed. Very good. So एक दूसरे से बोले nice talking to you. एक दूसरे से ये जरूर बोले nice talking to you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. If you are really happy after meeting, you should
Yes.
say that nice to meet you.
Nice to
meet you और nice to talk to you. Nice talking to you. बात करके खुशी हुई तो बोल सकते हैं nice talking to you. Okay.
Nice
Very
talking to you. Very
nice.
nice.
Good one.
Thank you, Richa. I'm nice talking to you.
Same here भी बोल सकते हैं. उसने अगर बोला nice talking to you तो आप same here भी कह सकते हैं. No problem. Okay, so this is such a nice, wonderful performance by both of you, and other students have also performed it very well. Actually, today I can see less number of students. So what I want to tell you that tomorrow I will continue the class. I'm not refreshing the meeting. I'm not restarting the meeting. I just want you to join tomorrow at the same time, and then I'll be starting some tense with you, some tenses structures. Present simple tense structure I'll be starting with you, and I just want you to revise your questions, like the questions you had today. Just revise them. Tomorrow we'll be starting something new in that. Is that okay? I can see only few people, like 4 students are there. Yes. And only like 1 me. So I don't want to start anything new today. I will be starting new tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
That's
No
all from
problem,
my
ma'am.
side, guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow with a new topic and a new learning itself. Okay. Bye. Take care. Good night.
Okay. Okay.
Good night.
Bye. Bye.
Night,
Ma'am,
everyone.
excuse me, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Please.
Ma'am, you're looking so very beautiful, ma'am. Your
Thank you so
hairstyle
much.
so nice, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, वो थोड़ा सा मैंने बताया था ना hair fall हो रहा है, so I thought I should take. Thank you
Yes,
so
yes.
much. कुछ नया करते रहना चाहिए वैसे.
नहीं नहीं
Yes,
मैम, चेंज एक ही जैसा नहीं है, चेंज करते रहो अपने आप को, चाहे
हाँ.
कितने भी बिजी रहो.
हाँ, इसलिए मैं स्पेशली कभी जब बहुत बिजी रहती हूँ ना तो ऐसा भी करती हूँ ताकि थोड़ा फ्रेशनेस आए.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hmm.
Good day, everyone. Good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.